Alright guys, time to test out the performance with the new tires. I have the Draggy ready. We're in Sport Plus mode with the traction control off. Now it's on, and it'll get warm by the time I get outside. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure I just bought one of the best mods for your car. Well, not for your car, but for my car. And the reason for that is because it affects the car in the sense of reliability, comfort, and maybe even a little bit of performance. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit of testing, and I'll be sharing my experience with you guys. Because so far, I've had this mod on the car for about a week, and it is one of the best things I've ever done. And later on in the video, I will tell you guys how much I paid for it, and I think it's worth the price, no doubt about that. All right, let's just cut to the chase. The mod is brand new tires. I put on brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. And immediately, as soon as I got back in the car, I could tell that the ride was so much better, because in the C43, the suspension is not really forgiving at all. And if it's kind of like a medium-sized pothole or even a large-sized pothole, oh my gosh, those tires. But now, with these new tires, oh man, there was a bridge and I didn't floor it. Ugh. And I'm not too sure about the science and technology behind like what makes a good tire, but all I know is that the Continental tire that I used to have and this tire, it's like a night and day difference. Like the composition of the rubber between this tire and the Continentals is just vast. I knew changing tires was important, but I didn't know that it was gonna be this important and I would feel this much of a difference. Like my mind was blown from the differences between the Continental and the Michelins. And I guess no wonder why people always like to speak highly of Michelin tires, and I can see that now. Alright guys, so a few days have passed. I just got out of work and it's freaking almost 7:15. I did the first part of this video like 5 days ago, but it's just that I'm working all the time. Like today I just worked almost 11 hours and I didn't have time to make the rest of the video. I would rather film the rest of the video when it's nice and bright outside because you guys can actually see something, and because it's actually a little bit easier for me when I can also see out of my front windshield. But anyway, enough of that. I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully I have time tomorrow to do the rest of this video. And if not, then it's gonna probably take a couple more days for me to get the performance clip and to show you guys the sticker. Well, I was just about to do some testing, but there is a state trooper right over there about to pass me. So yeah, I guess no testing for tonight. It's a sign from the drag racing gods. There's the statey. Definitely don't want to get pulled over, so guess we're not doing that tonight. Alright guys, I know this video has been long overdue, and I truly apologize for taking so long. But it's finally Sunday, so I have some time to go do some recording and stuff right now. But don't you worry, we're gonna be talking about the pricing as soon as I get to the destination, and we're gonna do a little testing to see if these tires actually make a difference or not. Alright guys, so I'm gonna tell you the pricing that I paid for these tires right now. So, look at this. Oh wait, that's my address, I can't show you guys that. So, for these front tires that I already have equipped right now, Michelin's 225, 40, 19s, I paid each of them $245.99. So that comes to a total of $491. but then with taxes and everything, it goes to $522.73. And that does include the 2-year road hazard, which is great. I will be comparing the prices of these tires to the old tires that come with the car. And I should say that these are not the run flats, but that's okay because the run flats kind of sucked anyway. And then these are the back ones. Yeah, they're really dirty, I know. 255s, 35.19. So for each of the rear ones, they were $247.99, which comes to a total of $495.98. And then after taxes and everything, $526.98. And this is actually a decent price because the Continental ones, which in my opinion are worse than the Michelin ones, I don't remember the exact number off the top of my head, but I will put the price right over here. And if I remember correctly, these ones were actually cheaper. If not, they might have been the same, but I think they were cheaper. And they're better tires. Like, I could tell immediately while I was driving that these tires made a world of a difference compared to the Continentals. And the Continentals were decent. I'm not like trying to knock off the Continentals, but these are just so much better. Not to mention that Michelin man looking kind of thick. When it was 59 degrees outside with the Continental tires, I managed to get 3.9 seconds 0 to 60. But yeah, that's it. I wanted to check and see if the 0 to 60 times are better, maybe by 0.1 seconds. If I do get 4.0 or 3.9, that'll be great still. Let's go test it out. All right, guys, time to test out the performance with the new tires. I have the Draggy ready. We're in Sport Plus mode with the traction control off, but not in manual mode. All right, let's do this. .5 seconds. All right, 4.2 on the second run, 4.0 on the first run. So, yeah. All right, so as a result, do the tires make a difference? Performance-wise, no, not really. But comfort-wise and probably even reliability-wise, yeah, for sure. That finally concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be coming out with another video with the cars that I test drove, probably sometime next week, but keep an eye out for that one, okay? See you guys in the next one. Peace.